Hey there, learners, welcome to Simplilearn. Today, we will see the starting journey in cybersecurity that is super exciting but can be a bit daunting. So, to help you out, we are going to talk about some common mistakes that beginners often make and how you can avoid them. If you're just getting started or looking to improve your skills, this guide will set you on the right path. So, let's dive in and make sure your cybersecurity career gets off to a strong start.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
And before we commence, guys, just a quick info for you. If you are an aspiring cybersecurity professional looking for online training and certification from prestigious universities and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility, then search no more. Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity from MIT University in collaboration with EC Council should be your right choice. For more details, you can use the link in the description box and pinned comment. So let's get started and we'll see the worst beginner cybersecurity mistakes everyone makes. And we'll start with the number one point, that is ignoring basics. So many beginners rush into advanced topics without mastering the basics, which can lead to confusion and frustration later on. It's essential to build a strong foundation before diving into complex subjects. If we talk about number one is understanding networking. Networking is the backbone of cybersecurity. Learn how data travels across networks, different types of networks like LAN and WAN, and basic networking protocols. Knowing how network protocol functions help you understand how attacks occur and how to defend against them. Then comes mastering operating systems. So operating systems are another critical area, whether it's Windows, Linux or Mac OS. You need to know how different OS work and learn about file systems, user management, and basic command line skills. So this knowledge is crucial for tasks like malware analysis and system hardening. Then comes the basic coding skills. So coding is an invaluable skill in cybersecurity. You can start with a simple language like Python and learn how to write scripts to automate tasks, analyze data, and understand the logic behind software vulnerabilities. So basic coding skills will help you comprehend how attacks are carried out and how to develop countermeasures. So taking the time to master these basics will make advanced topics much easier to understand and will set a solid foundation for your career in cybersecurity. So remember, it's a journey and starting with the basics will ensure you build strong, lasting knowledge. Now we'll come to number second point, that is skipping hands-on practice. So this is also one of the cybersecurity mistakes that beginners make. Cybersecurity isn't just about theory. Practical experience is crucial, and many beginners focus too much on reading and studying without applying what they have learned. This creates a gap between knowledge and real world skills. So, the number one point here is setting up a home lab. So, create a home lab with an old computer or virtual machine to practice what you learn. Install different operating systems, set up networks, and simulate attacks in a controlled environment. Then comes real world scenarios. So, use your home lab to practice real world scenarios like configuring firewalls and detecting intrusions. Platforms like Hack the Box and Try Hack Me offer cybersecurity challenges that mimic real life networks and systems. Then comes building confidence. So, hands on practice builds confidence. So, solving real problems and seeing the results of your actions make you more comfortable with cybersecurity tools and techniques. And this confidence is crucial when making quick, informed decisions in this field. So, gaining practical experience bridges the gap between theory and practice, making you a more effective and confident cybersecurity professional. So, now we'll see the third mistake that cybersecurity beginners make, that is, lack of documentation. So, documenting your work is a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of cybersecurity. Many beginners focus solely on learning new skills and solving problems without keeping track of their progress. However, good documentation practices can significantly enhance your learning experience. And by keeping detailed notes on what you learn, the tools you use, and the methods you apply, you create a valuable resource for future reference. And this habit helps you review and reinforce your knowledge, making it easier to remember complex concepts. Additionally, well documented work allows you to share your insights and solutions with others, whether through blogs, presentations, or team collaborations. It also helps in troubleshooting, as you can quickly revisit your steps to identify where something might have gone wrong. So, in the professional world, documentation is essential for maintaining clear and efficient communication within a team. And by starting this practice early, you will develop a habit that will benefit you throughout your career. And now we'll move to the fourth cybersecurity mistake for beginners, that is waiting too long to start applying for jobs. So, a common mistake many beginners make is waiting until they feel perfectly qualified before applying for cybersecurity jobs. This approach can be counterproductive. The truth is, you might never feel completely ready, and waiting too long can cause you to miss out on an valuable opportunity. So, start applying for jobs early in your learning journey. The process of applying and interviewing is a learning experience in itself. It helps you understand what employers are looking for, and it can highlight areas where you need to improve. So, early job applications also provide you with real world feedback and networking opportunities. Remember, many entry level positions are designed for people who are still learning and growing in this field. So, employers often value enthusiasm, willingness to learn, and problem solving skills as much as they do technical knowledge. So, by starting early, you can gain experience and build confidence, even if you are not yet perfectly qualified. And then comes the next mistake, that is trying to qualify for all jobs. So, in the vast field of cybersecurity, trying to qualify for every job out, there is a common but misguided approach. Cybersecurity encompasses a wide range of specialties, from network security and ethical hacking to incident response and security analysis. Instead of spreading yourself thin trying to learn everything, focus on a key few areas and become proficient in them. Specializing in special fields make you more valuable to potential employers. It's better to be an expert in one or two areas than to have superficial knowledge in many. So by focusing on specific skills, you can develop a better understanding and expertise that sets you apart from others. So this focused approach also makes it easier to stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in your chosen areas. Remember, depth of knowledge often outweighs breadth when it comes to career advancement and job satisfaction. So, this was all about trying to qualify for all jobs. Now, we'll see the biggest mistake, that is IT foundation fallacy. So, many aspiring cybersecurity professionals believe they need a deep IT background to start their career. This is same as the number one point, but this is a misconception. While having a solid foundation in IT can be beneficial, it's not a prerequisite for success in cybersecurity. What you need are the specific skills and practical experience. Focus on learning about networks, operating system, and security tools. Engage in hands-on practice through labs and simulations to build real-world skills. Cybersecurity is a field where practical knowledge and the ability to apply concepts matter more than theoretical IT knowledge. And many successful cybersecurity professionals come from diverse backgrounds, including those with minimal IT experience. So they succeed by continuing learning and adapting to new challenges. So don't let the lack of deep IT foundation hold you back. Concentrate on gaining the skills and experience that are directly relevant to the cybersecurity roles you are interested in. Now moving to number 7, that is not attending cybersecurity events. So attending cybersecurity events is one of the best ways to stay updated and connected in the field. These events, including conferences, webinars, and meetups, offer a wealth of information on the latest trends, tools, and threats in cybersecurity. They provide a platform to learn from experts, gain insights into industry developments, and discover new technologies. Additionally, these events are excellent networking opportunities, meeting other professionals that can lead to job opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship. Building a network within the cybersecurity community can provide support and guidance throughout your career. And many events also offer hands on workshops and training sessions that can enhance your practical skills. So, by actively participating in these events, you can demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning and professional development. Make it a habit to attend cybersecurity events regularly to stay engaged and informed. So, this was all about number 7 point, that is not attending cybersecurity events. Now, moving to number 8, that is obsessing over which specialization to choose. So, when starting a career in cybersecurity, many beginners obsess over which specialization to choose. This can be overwhelming and counterproductive. Instead of stressing about making the perfect choice, allow yourself the freedom to explore different areas of cybersecurity. The field is diverse, with specializations like penetration testing, incident response, security analysis, and more. Take the time to experiment with various topics and see what interests you the most. This exploration phase is valuable for gaining a broad understanding of this field. So, over time, you will naturally gravitate toward areas that align with your strengths and interests. So, remember, your specialization can evolve as you gain more experience and insights. Early in your career, focus on building a solid foundation and gaining exposure to different aspects of cybersecurity. This approach allows you to make an informed decision about your specialization when the time comes, ensuring you choose a path that truly excites and motivates you. So, with that, guys, we have come to the end of this session. If you like this session, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section below. With that, guys, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.